2023 Ram 2500. With less than 39,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.